Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have our 2018 Mitsubishi ASX Black Edition. Stock reference number 7420. The shape runs from the 7th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2024. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good ball tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.